Roller skating is similar to riding a bike. You'll find it easy to take up the sport again after you've learned how. As a newbie, you may feel as if you have a long way to go, but these 6 things will get you going in no time. Tip number 1. Wear your protective gear. You don't want to be afraid of falling when roller skating, but expect a few falls as your balance improves. Wearing a helmet, knee pads, and elbow protection may boost your confidence. You should also include wrist guards in your setup to safeguard your fragile bones in the event that you need to support yourself during a fall. If you're just starting to skate, you might want to start by renting roller skates before purchasing your own. Tip number 2. Keep your knees slightly bent. When most individuals feel their body starting to glide along, they stiffen up, which might knock them off balance. Keeping your knees slightly bent absorbs the stress of rolling over bumps and allows you to better manipulate your feet. Keep in mind that the bend should be small. When you glance down, your knees should not totally cover your toes. Tip number 3. Stand with your toes pointed out in V position. If you've ever seen penguins, now is the moment to imitate their walk. Skating is best done with your toes pointing slightly outward and your heels pointed inside. In this stance, you can practice walking on grass or carpet. Then progress to a smoother surface and practice putting one foot forth and gliding on the other until you acquire an alternating rhythm with each leg. 4. Learn how to fall correctly. Falling isn't always unavoidable while skating, however most skaters will collide with the ground at some time. The best method to fall is to fall forward so that you may land on one knee and continue to slide forward until you stop. To prevent placing too much pressure on your tailbone, attempt to land on one side of your buttocks if you fall backward. Tip number 5. Braking or stopping. There are various strategies you might employ to prevent oneself from rolling along at full speed. For example, you may put one foot behind and perpendicular to the other. This has the consequence of increasing friction and slowing you down. Toe stops are also useful for braking, but you must know how to utilize them properly. Turning around and allowing the toe stop to drag as you travel backward is usually the best strategy to prevent an abrupt halt that leads you to tumble. You'll learn which strategy works best in each case as you acquire expertise.